Wilbert is a family-owned and operated auto recycler with a self-serve auto parts yard. When you're here, you can pull parts off of thousands of vehicles in the yard and pay a fraction of the price of new auto parts. Let's check it out. Wilbert is currently located in Rochester, Bath, and Buffalo, New York. If you're looking for parts for newer model vehicles, you can check out Wilbert's Premium Auto Parts instead. Go to wilberts.com and click on Premium Auto Parts for more. You will also see on wilberts.com that we have a full-service tire and repair shop. You can bring your newly purchased tires or parts and have them installed today. For more information on the U-Pull-It, visit wupi.com. Also, subscribe to us on YouTube for upcoming videos about the U-Pull-It, and follow us on social media to keep up with what's going on and be a part of the community.